स्वागत है दोस्तों एक इलेक्ट्रिकल ट्रिपल वन पर। आज हम लोग का टॉपिक एफिशिएंसी ऑफ मोटर, जनरेटर, ट्रांसफार्मर एक्सेट्रा सभी का एफिशिएंसी आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, efficiency of DC motor 50 to 80%. Number 2, efficiency of DC generator 85 to 95%. Number 3, maximum efficiency of alternator 85%. Number 4, efficiency of three-phase motor 74%. Number 5, efficiency of single-phase motor 64%. Number 6, efficiency of three-phase induction motor 85 to 96%. Number 7, efficiency of synchronized motor 95%. Number 8, efficiency of synchronized generator 99%. Number 9, efficiency of small universal motor 30%. Number 10, efficiency of large universal motor 70 to 75%. Number 11, efficiency of shaded pole motor 5 to 35%. Number 12, efficiency of permanent magnet synchronized motor 97%. Number 13, efficiency of permanent split capacitor motor 70 to 65%. Number 14, efficiency of capacitor motor 86.03%. Number 15, efficiency of power transformer 97 to 99%. Number 16, efficiency of auto transformer 99%. Number 17, efficiency of step-up transformer 95%. Efficiency of step-down transformer 99%. Number 18, efficiency of step-down transformer 99%. Number 19, efficiency of single-phase distribution transformer 95 to 98.5%. Number 20, the efficiency of the transformer is minimum at 50% of full load. वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट बॉक्स में जानाइए। तब तक अच्छे रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए।